Hi folks, Shelby Palm with the Marble Falls Cedar Park overhead doors. Here's what happens when you love aviation a little bit too much and you're building garage door displays. So first off, we've got our Liftmaster 81600 represented by the outstanding Vought FU Corsair, best aircraft World War II. Then we also have the 87504 battery backup integral camera represented by the SR71, also called Haboob. We've got a door like that that we actually manufacture now. And to follow up, we also have the 87802, the big granddaddy. This is the opener as represented by the C17 that does all that heavy lifting for the cedar overlay doors. And then of course we can't miss the Liftmaster 98022, represented by the V22 Osprey. And now let's race the rest of them. And that's what happens when you like airplanes too much.